If you don't know how to organize your evidence, you are going to fail in family court. Most dads go in and they think that they can throw up a screenshot or some disorganized narrative basically saying that their ex is a liar and she hates them. And many of these things may not have to do with custody, they may not be presented right. And just think about this. If you have an overwhelming amount of evidence and you have one to two things that breaks a narrative of what you're trying to articulate in a statute, you're basically screwing yourself. So think about this. Your evidence needs to be something that the court regularly hears. You need to file it in that way that it's regularly filed. It needs to articulate a narrative that wins dad's custody, so you need to go to family court to understand what that is or educate yourself on that. And then it's empowered by a statute. A statute is a law, or it could be an idea that navigates the court, something like the best interest of the child. How does this show this, and how is that normally argued in court? We have to think about this. So many dads walk in telling me they got screwed and they had tons of evidence and the judge didn't want to see it. That's why the judge didn't want to see it. Let's get educated, guys. Check out my free stuff. There's more than enough for you to learn from. If you need some extra help, you can check out my groups.